Don't drink plain water after 50. I know that sounds unusual, maybe even wrong, but stay with me for a moment, because once you understand why, you'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. I'm Dr. Michelle Zion, and today I'm going to share the hidden truth about hydration after 50, why plain water can actually deplete your strength and energy, and what you can do instead to keep your body hydrated, energized, and youthful from the inside out. When you're young, hydration happens effortlessly. You drink a glass of water and your body knows exactly what to do: absorb, circulate, and energize. Every cell acts like a sponge, soaking in water and minerals perfectly. But as the years pass, something subtle begins to shift. Your body's ability to hold water declines. Your cells become less responsive. Your kidneys start to flush out minerals more aggressively. And the thirst signal in your brain weakens. So even when you're drinking plenty of water, 8 glasses, 10 glasses, it's not truly hydrating your body at a cellular level anymore. You might start noticing little changes. Your skin feels drier. Your focus drops faster in the afternoon. Your energy doesn't last as long as it used to. And even your circulation, the very system that delivers oxygen and vitality through your body, starts to slow. Most people think they just need more water, but that's not the answer. The real problem isn't how much you drink. It's what's missing inside it. Why plain water isn't enough after 50. Here's the truth most people never hear. Plain water doesn't carry an electrical charge strong enough to deeply hydrate your cells. Water alone fills your stomach, quenches thirst, and then, for many people over 50, it just passes right through. You drink more, you urinate more, and your body still feels tired, dry, or weak. That's because water needs partners, minerals, to do its job. Magnesium, sodium, and potassium are called electrolytes. They're nature's spark plugs, carrying microscopic currents that tell your body how to absorb and use water. Without them, the water you drink can't reach the places it's needed most: your brain, muscles, and heart. So what happens? You stay hydrated on the surface but dehydrated within. Your cells remain thirsty even while you're drinking all day. This is what I call hidden dehydration. It's one of the main reasons why people over 50 feel fatigue, poor focus, and sluggish circulation, even though they think they're drinking enough. The 3 minerals that turn water into life. Let's uncover the 3 minerals your body desperately needs to make water work again. First, magnesium, the relaxation. Mineral magnesium is like the conductor of your body's energy orchestra. It helps your heart beat rhythmically, your blood vessels stay open, and your muscles move without tension. But magnesium is also one of the first minerals to deplete as you age. Modern soil is stripped of it, processed foods remove it, and even healthy diets often don't provide enough. Without magnesium, your arteries tighten, circulation slows, and your heart has to work harder to do its job. That's why low magnesium often shows up as fatigue, restlessness, poor sleep, and even a quiet dip in physical vitality. When you restore magnesium, your body exhales, your blood flows better, your energy feels cleaner, your mind relaxes, but your body wakes up. To naturally replenish it, eat more spinach, pumpkin seeds, and avocados, or add a small dose of magnesium glycinate to your daily routine. You'll feel the difference within days. Second, sodium, the forgotten hydration. Key. Now, sodium gets a bad reputation, but here's the truth. Not all salt is created equal. Refined table salt, the kind used in processed foods, can indeed cause problems. But natural salt, found in unrefined sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, contains dozens of trace minerals that actually help your body absorb water and keep it where it's needed. When you drink plain water without sodium, it passes through you quickly, like pouring water on dry sand. But when you add just a tiny pinch of mineral-rich salt to your water, you give it structure. Your body recognizes it, absorbs it, and holds on to it longer. You don't need much, just a fingertip's worth in a glass of water each morning. It helps maintain stable blood pressure, better hydration, and longer-lasting energy. Your muscles stay stronger, your brain clearer, and your energy more balanced throughout the day. Think of sodium as the key that opens the door for hydration to enter your cells. Third, potassium, the great stabilizer. If sodium opens the door, potassium keeps it balanced. It regulates heartbeat rhythm, nerve function, and fluid balance inside your cells. Without enough potassium, your body can't properly manage sodium, leading to tension, water retention, or even mild swelling. But when potassium levels are optimal, your body moves in harmony, your circulation feels smooth, your heart beats easily, and your energy flows evenly from morning to night. Bananas, oranges, avocados, leafy greens, and coconut water are all rich in potassium. Or, for an even quicker fix, a balanced electrolyte mix that includes potassium can be added to your daily glass of water. Within days, you'll notice calmer energy, steadier focus, and fewer dips in stamina. How to make smarter water. Here's a simple daily ritual I teach my patients. Morning mineral water. Recipe: 1 tall glass of filtered water, a pinch of pink Himalayan or Celtic sea salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon. 4. Vitamin C and flavor. Optional: a few drops of a liquid magnesium or potassium blend. Drink this first thing every morning, before coffee or breakfast. Within a few days, you'll notice your body begin to wake up. Your energy feels natural, your mind sharper, and your circulation smoother. That's not caffeine. That's hydration working again. Your body runs on electrical impulses. Every heartbeat, every nerve signal, every muscle contraction happens because of charge. Electrolytes, those tiny minerals, create that charge. So when you add them back into your daily water, you're not just drinking, you're recharging. Your heart rate stabilizes, your blood flow improves, your cells communicate more efficiently. And when your cells are properly hydrated, your metabolism increases naturally. You digest better, sleep deeper, think clearer, and even age more gracefully. That's why I always tell my patients, water without minerals is like a phone without a charger. It looks fine, but it can't hold energy. Try this for 14 days. Each morning, drink your mineral water. Throughout the day, eat foods rich in magnesium, potassium, and sodium, leafy greens, nuts, avocados, and mineral salts. Notice how you feel at the end of week 1. Your energy lasts longer, your skin feels softer, your digestion improves, your brain feels clearer. By week 2, you'll notice deeper changes, steadier stamina, calmer nerves, and better sleep. That's your body restoring its electrical balance. We often talk about hydration as a physical thing, but it's deeply emotional too. When your cells are dehydrated, your brain feels foggy, your mood dips, and your stress rises. But when your body is nourished with real hydration, your mind becomes calmer, more resilient, and more present. That's why proper hydration isn't just a wellness tip. It's a foundation for mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual energy. The more balanced your internal environment, the more peace and vitality you feel in every aspect of life. So here's the takeaway. After 50, don't just drink plain water. Drink charged water. Water that contains the minerals your body depends on for strength, focus, and longevity. Hydration is not about quantity, it's about quality. One small habit, a pinch of salt, a splash of lemon, a few trace minerals, can completely transform how your body functions. Because your body isn't running out of energy. It's running out of connection. The mineral connection that lets water do its magic. When you give your body that balance back, you feel it almost immediately. Your mind clears. Your energy steadies. Your heart feels lighter. And you realize, aging doesn't mean losing vitality. It means learning how to nourish it more wisely. So, from now on, don't just drink water. Empower it. Add minerals, add intention, and make every sip count. Because water is more than a liquid. It's the medium of life, and when you restore its natural balance, you restore yours too. I'm Dr. Michelle Zion, and remember, your body isn't asking for more water. It's asking for better water. Drink smart, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.